Cais do Sodré Railway Station. The Cais do Sodré Railway Station, Portuguese pronunciation, Cais do Sodré, is an intermodal railway station in the civil parish of Misericórdia, in the municipality of Lisbon, serving as the terminus of the suburban route to the resort town Cascais. History. In 1925, the company Sodré Railway elaborated a project for a station along the margin of the civil parish of São Paulo. The station was completed and inaugurated on 18 August 1928. A new roof was built over the platforms in 1960, but on 28 May 1963 this collapsed while one train was loading and another was unloading. About 50 people were killed and many more injured. In 1993, metro station Cais do Sodré Metro Station was opened to link the railway station, a project of Nuno Titonio Pereira, who was contracted in 1998 to remodel the site. He was brought back in 2000 in order to construct the river terminal along the northern margin of the Tagus. On 4 August 1995, a dispatch to begin the classification process was instituted on 20 October 2004 by the Vice President of APAR, which was later amended on 24 August 2007 to status of removal de interesse publico, and later, on 23 November 2011, Conselho Nacional de Cultura, a National Council of Culture, proposed its claim. It was on 30 January 2012 when the project was decisively classified and its area of protection designated Announcement 1216/2012, Diário da República, Sarai 215. Architecture. It is an intermodal exchange connecting the Lisbon Metro, rail lines and river terminal center, a complex situated at the Duque de Terceira Square. The station is adjacent to the Lisbon Metro Station, which is the terminus for the Metro's Green Line and isolated along the northern margin of Tagus River, with ferry service to Cascais, Seixal, and Mintejo, the Transtigio and Soflusa service. The station comprises a building with 3 bodies juxtapositioned in a new design, with the steel and tiled central hall covering the rail lines that parallel the Tagus River and Avenida 24 de Julho. The main hall, that includes the vestibule ticket offices, is a rectangular body with terrace oriented to the northeast. Its main facade is divided into 3 sections with the identical lateral bodies of smaller dimensions, with the central composed of 5 ample bodies on the first floor, decorated by extensive rectangular flaps supported by 4 corbels. To the second floor is an ample surface topped by depressed arch decorated by small geometric elements in triangular forms. The lateral bodies, that include 1 per floor, are demarcated and separated by a panel of rectangular mosaics. Flanking the pans are striated bronze columns that extend down to the bas relief of the same material that finishes the span of the second floor. To finish off the facade, there is a paltabanda with cornice in a collapsed arch. Attached to the main building are 2 similar annex bodies with identical facades, consisting of 2 floors of simple rectangular spans decorated in intervals by geometric mosaic panels. The northern rectangular body, covered in tile, has an extensive facade that parallels the public roadway. The eastern annex is an L-shaped building with lateral facade oriented to the south that correspond to administrative services. Juxtaposition to the main body, on either side are triangular spans with curved apex that resembles the decorative discourse of the main facades. The Art Deco design was by Porfirio Pardal Montero 1897–1957, and the metro station is decorated with works by abstract artist Antonio da Costa, in addition to an underground waterfall.